In a significant step towards promoting greenery and environmental consciousness, the state flower of Tripura, Nageshwar, was ceremoniously planted at Science City, Agartala today. The plantation was led by Shri Sanjeev Kumar Janjua, ED and Asset Manager, ONGC Tripura, under the banner of Swachhata Hi Seva, an initiative aligned with the Swachh Bharat mission. The event aimed to encourage citizens to contribute to a cleaner, greener Tripura while celebrating the state's rich natural heritage. Officials of ONGC, Science City staff and local residents actively participated in the program, pledging their commitment to environmental preservation. The initiative served as an inspiring reminder that sustainable change begins with small but meaningful actions like tree plantation and community-driven cleanliness drives.
Tripura State tree it is called, that is Nageshwara, एंड स्टेट भी इसको बढ़ावा देने के लिए अपना काम करती है, तो हमने ये सोचा है कि दायित्व लिया कि हम भी इसका अपना योगदान देंगे, इसको त्रिपुरा की ग्रीनरी को, ग्रीन स्टेट को और ग्रीन बनाने के लिए वी विल बी कंट्रीब्यूटिंग दिस. So it is a small effort from ONGC. Thank you very much and wish you all the best. Thank you.
We report news now.